Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. And in this video, we'll be focusing on getting you hosting. Now, you do know that you need hosting to create an amazing WordPress website. WordPress offers hosting, but your options are very limited. You only get a very few selection of themes, which in my opinion are not very good. You can't place ads on your websites if that's how you plan on monetizing your website, and you can't add plugins. So you want to get dedicated hosting. With dedicated hosting, you are the boss of what's happening on your website. You have unlimited potential on what you can do. Let's go with dedicated hosting. Now, I'm an affiliate with HostGator, I'll be honest, but in this video, I won't give you a coupon code to get a reduction to make any money, simply because you know what, you're free to go with whatever hosting you want. I don't want to push something down your throat. You get to choose, okay? But I'm going to be very honest with you, HostGator, in my opinion, is still the best. That's what I use, and I'm an affiliate for it, so there you go. So upon visiting hostgator.com, you'll see that, of course, the first option you'll see is view hosting plans. So let's click on that. And as you can see, they have three big plans, all right? The first one is the hatchling plan. That's not the one I use because, as you can see, you can only get one domain. If you plan on launching a website, then one domain is probably all you need. But let's be honest, if you plan on being a long-lasting internet marketer, you probably want to expand your business a little more, and that's why one domain is probably not the best. But as you can see, if you choose to go with this, it will cost you as low as $4 a month. And if you take, so it's $4 if you take your hosting for 3 years, and monthly it'll be $7. But it's pretty cheap. Even if you decide to only go with 1 year, that's $50. It's pretty cheap, yeah. And if you want to give it a try for your first month, you can just put $7 in. Now that's the baby plan. That's what I personally use. And it's pretty cheap also, but you get unlimited domains. That's amazing. And then you have the business plan, which gives you a lot of other options. That's for HostGator. Another good option that you can get is Bluehost. They have also great customer service. This is pretty much HostGator's strong point. They have 24/7 live chat and phone assistance, which when you're just getting started is really amazing. It will come handy one day or another. I assure you, there will be a moment where you have to contact your hosting provider because you don't understand something's not working. You're going to have to talk to a real person to solve issues once in a while, and that's normal. That's why I recommend HostGator. Bluehost is also amazing in their service. Now, the third option I recommend to you is 1&1. Now, I personally would not go with 1&1, but it's the cheapest hosting provider. So if you are short on cash and you are aching to get started, 1&1 might be your best bet. Regardless of which service you plan to go with, I want you to register a hosting account. And I'll see you guys in the video to create a domain name.